What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome back to another another coverage on Bitcoin, the daily Bitcoin analysis. A little bit earlier than yesterday, again, luckily, because just had my regular schedule again. If you're new to this channel, welcome. But basically, what I do in these videos, I do them daily. Bitcoin and Ethereum, I do them daily. For my full upload schedule, you can check out the Discord down in the description. But usually what I do is we just cover the price, mostly in most videos. But we also cover the news, if there is any news, and some of the fundamentals around it. So fundamentals right now are Sunday economics. I mean, volume dropped down by 50%. If we take a look at last Sunday, what you can see is that it was the 16th, right? 16th was Sunday. You can see that we were relatively flat, and then end of the day we got some moves. I'm not sure if we will get some big moves end of the day. I do think we'll get them tomorrow. So that could be one of two things, and in this video we'll dive into what that could be. Apart from that, no big fundamentals, I believe, at least not for the entire crypto market. Maybe for certain cryptos there are actually there are noteworthy news events, but not noteworthy enough to name them out or call them out in this Bitcoin analysis. So let's get right into the price. I think that's the best thing we can do. My analysis since yesterday hasn't really changed. The thing is, and I'll explain it. The thing is that over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has been relatively flat as well. That just seems to be happening in the weekend. I mean, this was last, no, this was Sunday, the 9th. Was this Sunday? All right. So we dropped down quite severely last Sunday, but in the end, it's just about movement. And it seems like we will get some movement, either later tonight or tomorrow morning. And to me, that's going to be one of these two things. Right now, we're at a major resistance level at 19,250. It's also a very important resistance level because the moment you break above that, you'll instantly get up to 19,500. There we'll have a very strong resistance level at this point, but you'll at least get up to 19,500. And then I'll be back with another update tomorrow on whether we are going to find a massive resistance touch there, or whether we might be able to break above that. So we're either going to do that, break above 19,250, or we're going to drop down back to this 19,000, 18,900 support level again. Find some support there, which I do think we will. But then just take a break retest off of somewhere in this level, within the same key level we found support in. Usually that happens. I mean, price doesn't really care about the key levels you drew. But we'll find resistance there, and we'll probably drop down to 18,500 at the very least. It's going to be one of those two things. And, you know, it's pretty weird because my intuition says that we can actually expect a move like this. And we got some more bullish fundamentals, or not really bullish fundamentals, but at least the fundamentals calmed down a little bit, which is bullish. I mean, if you have all this unrest in the world at all times, which is still happening, but if you have news around it at all times, and if you have news around the inflation rate and the interest rate at all times, that's not amazing, right, for Bitcoin. So now, at least in my experience, it has cooled down a little bit, at least in the news. So that's why my intuition says something like this. But purely technically seen, we have to be honest, brutally honest about it. It looks way more likely to get that drop down, even though we've been in a consolidation, which you could consider as neutral for the last over a month. The bearish momentum, like all of these EMAs and the trend line, that's just way stronger than the bullish momentum we have. There's barely bullish momentum. We got some strong support levels like 19,000 and 18,500, but apart from that, there's nothing. So purely technically seen, it looks more likely to do something like this. But as I said, we'll watch it. I'll be back with another update tomorrow, and until then, those are the two things you have to prepare for and you have to expect. So that's my take on Bitcoin for now. I want to wish you all a great rest of the weekend and Sunday, but for now, take care and bye.